Now, of course, being the completely amateur YouTuber I need to consider a space to mount a couple of GoPros, so I've got to figure out the best spot. I'm thinking maybe just up on the roof rail up here, and let's just hit record on that. So we're going to have a look, see what sort of a view we might expect. I kind of want a bit of the driver input. Yeah, I reckon that might work. And then I'm going to stick one facing backwards, maybe on this rail, I don't know. Yeah, maybe up on this roof rail up here. So yeah, I reckon that could work. Maybe just straight in the centre, looking back. That'll work. I'll have two. That's the plan at this stage anyhow. Oh, I'm thinking I'm just going to do some rib nuts in there for the mount so it can all be bolted on. So I just drilled a hole for the rib nut. I love these things. And it's so easy just to throw a thread in there. So with that bolted now, I've just got a little mount there so that can be just tightened up in place. What do you reckon? That view going to do it? I don't know. Might be nice to have it a bit lower maybe. Like in one way that's a good spot because I can easily turn it on from here. Like it is, there's my eye line here which is pretty high. That's kind of at the roof height, which may be a bit high. I could mount it up here a bit closer. Maybe. I don't know. Well, the other option is, do I mount a pole off my centre bar? Maybe just off the side where the passenger's sitting and get a view sort of about there, looking forward. And maybe I can mount another one on the there, looking rear, thereabouts. That's the sort of height I'd be looking at. Let me know what you think. What would the best view be?